We'll guide you through how to enable the ChatGPT memory update. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the ChatGPT website by entering chat.openai.com in the address bar. Once you're on the website, make sure you're logged into your account by checking the top right corner of the page for your profile icon. If you're not logged in, click on the Login button and enter your credentials. After logging in, click on your profile icon in the lower left corner to open the drop-down menu. From the menu, select Settings. In the Settings menu, look for the Personalization and Memory. Here you will find a toggle switch to enable the memory feature. Click on the switch to turn it on. You might be prompted to confirm your choice, so go ahead and confirm if needed. With the memory feature enabled, ChatGPT can now remember information between sessions, making your interactions more personalized and efficient. If at any point you want to disable the memory, you can simply follow the same steps and toggle the switch off. Enabling memory can enhance your experience by allowing the AI to retain context and preferences you have shared in past interactions, making future conversations more coherent and tailored to your needs. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.